Hello guys and welcome to another video of Indian All-Rounder. In this video I am going to show you how can you make your program look a way cooler, or you can say matured, and make everybody think that you know programming. So there are basically few ways. If you are in class like 10th, 11th, it is possible that your teacher would have taught or would have not taught you printer object and scanner. So you can use such kind of things to impress your teacher and your friends. Then you can write the name of the writer, version, date. So here the format I have taken 1 means class name. It is whether a simple class or abstract class and so on. For simple class here 1 dot input type. If it is of scanner type I will enter here 1. If it is of function type I will enter 2. So here I have taken 1. Then program number. So this is my 14th program of the series. So I have taken the number 14. Then the date. So this will make your program look much more matured and cooler. So everybody will think that you know a lot and you do programming usually. Either you do it or you don't. So when you use scanner and printer you have to import some things. So this is the statement that you will not find in your friend's program if your teacher hasn't taught them, and most of them will not use because they just want to make their program simple, shorter, easier. So in this I have taken 14. This was my last program. Then 13, one previous, 11, more previous. Then this was the program which was of non-scanner type. So here is the value 2. And see how small this program is. This is of non-scanner type. This is quite small, but when you will run it, it will generate problem in identifying that what should be the value given. But if you will use this one, so you can see this is quite big and it is quite longer than the last one. But when you will run this, you have to only enter the value of, you will get this statement first, which you will not get, never get there. Enter this. Then if I have to do, I will enter 2, number 10, 10, 10, and my average will be 10. Then if it is non-scanner, let's try this one. Firstly you will have to make an object of it. After making object you have to go to this. Here it will ask you the following. Here I have taken int's name this long. Here you have taken ABCD kind of. So for here int you have to enter all the values. For CS10, okay, then you have to enter and you will get invalid number because my last value or the value of ch was wrong. So let's try once more. For case I will enter 1. Other all the values I will enter. Then F. That was our conversion 1 second. So you can understand that it is quite easier and look way cooler than this one. So I hope you guys liked my video. You will subscribe me and will comment me for any further inquiries or anything further you want to know. Make sure you try to make your program look way cooler than that of others, and this will not only make your program cooler, this will also help you, because for basically you have to write system.out.print, but here you have to only write p.println. For this you have to only add one statement. So I think that's all for this video, and you all will like me as I have told previously. Thanks for visiting my channel.